By 2025, EV adoption will surge globally, but do you know how to properly care for your electric vehicle? In just 3.5 minutes, we'll break down essential maintenance tips and daily must-knows. 1. Battery care, the heart of your EV. Your battery is the EV's lifeline. Charging habits, avoid draining below 20% or charging to 100%. Keep it between 20-80 for optimal health. Temperature management. Park in shaded areas and use pre-cooling features. Heat accelerates degradation. Fast charge caution, limit DC fast charging for daily use. Prioritize level 2 charging. Pro tip, always use OEM charging gear to prevent overheating risks. 2. Tire maintenance. Safety meets efficiency. EVs wear tires 20% faster due to heavy batteries and instant torque. Tire pressure checks. Monthly checks at OEM recommended. Silo pressure increases drag. High pressure reduces grip. Rotation routine. Swap front or rear tires every 8,000–10,000 km for even wear. EV-specific tires. Invest in tires engineered for EV weight and noise reduction. 3. Brake systems. Master regenerative braking. Brake smarter, not harder. Regenerative braking. 90% of deceleration uses energy recapture. Save mechanical brakes for final stops. Rust prevention. Occasionally disable regen braking to lightly engage brake pads. Cleaning disc surfaces. Fluid refresh. Replace brake fluid every 2 years or 30,000 kilometers to maintain responsiveness. 4. Cooling systems and software updates. Hidden maintenance heroes. Coolant checkups. Monitor battery or motor coolant levels and replace every 4 to 5 years. Stay updated. Install OTA updates promptly. They boost range and performance. Case study, a Tesla update recently unlocked 10% more range. 5. Daily habits for longevity. 3 quick wins for EV owners. 12 volts battery. Test this small but critical component annually to avoid startup failures. Cabin air filter. Replace every 6–12 months, especially in polluted areas. Charging hygiene. Keep ports dry and clean. Avoid chemical contact. EV maintenance is simpler than gas cars. Focus on batteries, tires, and brakes. Pair with regular checkups and enjoy worry-free drives. Smash that subscribe button for cutting-edge EV tech. I'm Richard Hung. See you next time in Auto News Parts and Accessories channel.